Today through this video, I am going to explain you very nicely that motion sensor we use with this sensor how to connect a lamp so that if any person comes in sensing area of this sensor, then in this condition lamp must be turned on. Similarly, when person goes away from this sensor, then in this condition lamp must be turned off automatically. If you want to do connection of motion sensor, then for connection, terminal box here, if you look into this terminal box, then you will find total 3 terminals. To operate this motion sensor, we have to provide power supply. To provide power supply, we will use a MCB here. Besides, you have to see one more thing here, that motion sensor here, to operate this motion sensor, what is the operating voltage of this. For now, motion sensor I have. To operate this, we have to provide 230 volt AC power supply. In this AC power supply, I will get phase supply and neutral power supply. So I will connect these two with MCB. Now with phase terminal of this MCB, connect a wire, and in this motion sensor with P terminal, connect this wire. After this N terminal here, to this terminal, I have to provide neutral power supply. So what I will do, from neutral terminal of MCB, I will connect a wire, and with this neutral terminal connect this wire. On providing phase supply and neutral power supply to this motion sensor will start working. Along with this, it generates output signal at this L terminal. Now we will use this L terminal to turn on the lamp. So what we will do, connect a wire from this terminal and to this lamp provide phase supply. Now to operate this lamp, we have to provide neutral power supply also. So neutral power supply which is connected here, with the same point loop a wire and to this lamp provide neutral power supply directly. For now I just shown you connection of one lamp. If you want, you can connect more lamps in parallel to this. That is, by using this same phase supply and neutral supply, you can provide power supply to other lamps also. Now we will understand how this motion sensor will turn on the lamp. See, work of this motion sensor is to detect motion. It means in front of this sensor, if any object does a movement, then due to movement, this sensor will detect it. After detecting, it generates a output signal at this terminal. Signal which you will get here is phase supply. So this phase supply will flow from here and directly goes to this lamp. And from this terminal, we provided neutral power supply directly, so in this condition, lamp will turn on. Now if this object which was there in front of sensor goes away, then lamp will remain on for some time. Till how much time it will remain on depends on what time we set in this sensor. You will get a knob here to set time. When this time is completed, sensor will turn off this lamp automatically. I hope you understood this whole connection. If you still have any kind of doubt, you can ask me by commenting in comment section. I will provide the answer to your questions. So friends, let's end this video here. Thanks for watching this video.